In the era of quick meals and convenience, the microwave oven stands as a marvel of modern engineering. But how does this compact appliance heat our food so rapidly, and why do some spots remain stubbornly cold? The answer lies not just in the technology, but in the fascinating science of microwaves. Microwaves are a form of electromagnetic radiation, much like radio waves, but with a much shorter wavelength. Inside your microwave oven, a device called a magnetron generates these waves, which then bounce around the metal interior, penetrating the food. As these waves pass through, they excite water molecules, causing them to vibrate rapidly. This vibration generates heat, cooking the food from the inside out. However, the process isn't as uniform as one might think. Despite the impressive technology, there are challenges in achieving even heating. The microwaves penetrate the food from the outside in, typically reaching only about an inch deep. The heat then needs to transfer to the center through conduction, which is why thicker foods can sometimes remain cold in the middle. This uneven heating is further complicated by the food's composition. Items with high water content tend to heat more efficiently as the microwaves specifically target water molecules. Yet, this means areas with less water content, or those blocked by denser materials, may not heat as effectively, leading to those pesky cold spots. Moreover, the distribution of microwaves within the oven isn't entirely uniform. The waves can form standing patterns, known as hot and cold spots, throughout the chamber. To combat this, most microwaves come equipped with a rotating turntable, ensuring the food moves through different wave patterns, which helps to even out the cooking process. But even with this mechanism, some inconsistency remains, particularly in foods with irregular shapes or varying densities. The solution to this uneven heating is often to stir or rearrange the food midway through the cooking process, allowing for a more uniform distribution of heat. In addition to the turntable, innovations such as inverter technology offer more precise control over the power levels, providing a gentler heating process. This can be particularly beneficial for defrosting, where too much power can partially cook the food, leaving other parts frozen. Yet, despite these advancements, microwaves still face the challenge of achieving perfect uniformity. Understanding these nuances can enhance our microwave cooking techniques, ensuring a more consistent and satisfying result. The microwave oven, a staple in modern kitchens, is a testament to the power of scientific discovery and technological innovation. It harnesses the invisible forces of electromagnetic waves to deliver swift and efficient cooking. Yet, the complexities of its operation remind us that even the most common conveniences are built on a foundation of intricate science. As we continue to evolve in our culinary practices, the microwave remains a striking example of how technology can transform everyday life, offering a glimpse into the unseen world of waves that heat our food and shape our daily routines.